Good evening students. Today I have made the solution for you people so that you can understand it. This is the case study which I have given you for the class. The information which was provided in the case study was like this. Selling price per unit rupees 30. Variable cost which was given rupees 1200 per week. Fixed cost was rupees 400 week and sales per week was 60 vehicles. First of all, we will calculate the total contribution. The formula will be 60 vehicles per week multiplied by rupee. For formula for contribution will be sales minus variable cost. Total sales will be arrived by multiplying 60 vehicles with rupees 30 per vehicle, and variable cost will be also calculated like that, which is already given also, that is 1200. So contribution will be 600 in a week, and contribution per unit will become 600 upon total cars, that is 600 divided by 60 cars, which will result into 10 rupees per car as contribution. After that we will calculate first of all break even point for units. So the formula is total fixed cost upon contribution per unit. Taking the information, the fixed cost is given 400 and contribution per unit is rupees 10. So the break even point in units will become 40 cars. The second question asks about what will be the profit when selling price is rupees 30 per unit. So we will use the formula contribution is equals to total fixed cost plus profit. So contribution is 600, total fixed cost is rupees 400 and plus profit. We will use the LHS RHS method and it will give us profit of rupees 200. Then moving towards the second option, when James reduced the selling price per unit to rupees 25 per unit. Now sales in a week will come to 60 cars multiplied by rupees 25, that is 1500. Contribution will become sales minus variable cost, that will be 300. Contribution per unit will become 300 divided by 60 cars and will give rupees 5 per unit. Now the break even point will become, using the formula total fixed cost upon contribution per unit, 400 divided by 5 will give us 80 cars as break even point. Now we have to find out whether our company will be earning profit or loss. So we use the formula contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit or minus loss. So contribution becomes now 300, fixed cost is 400. Now because the fixed cost is more than contribution, therefore James Water will be suffering with 100 rupees of loss. Now we have to calculate the weekly profit which James Water is desiring is rupees 200. So we have to first of all find out how many cars should be washed to earn rupees 200 weekly profit when selling price becomes rupees 25 per unit. So first of all you will calculate PV ratio. Now PV ratio formula is contribution upon sales. You will convert it into percentage by multiplying it with 100. So contribution is 300 and sales is 1500 when the price was reduced to 25 per unit. It will give us 20% as PV ratio. Now we will use a formula for total sales for desired profit, fixed cost plus desired profit upon PV ratio. So fixed cost is rupees 400, desired profit which they want to earn is 200, PV ratio is 20%. Solving this, we will get 3000 rupees as total sales. So we have to calculate total cars needed will be sales upon selling price per unit. 3000 divided by 25 will give us 120 cars. I hope this video will help you in understanding better the concepts of CVP analysis.